welcome to Orange Cooking. Tonight I want to show you how to make this delicious, beautiful Middle Eastern Labneh, and I hope you enjoy it. I got here 1 kilo of lactose-free Greek yogurt, and I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt to it. Let me now we're gonna mix it all up with the salt. Now I cut up some cheesecloth, and I'm just gonna put in my bowl here. I'm gonna put all the cream or the yogurt into my cheesecloth. After I put it in the cheesecloth, I'm just gonna try to tie it up as much as I can. Make sure there's no holes, and we're gonna try to strain as much as the cheese we can, so we're trying to get all the liquid out. Okay, so I tied it up, and I'm gonna put it in our fridge for overnight, so all the liquid will come out. Alright, now that I soaked my cheese for 24 hours, I can unwrap it now. I'm going to take this off, and we're going to untangle it. Now, on the bottom here, we got our whey that we got here. I'm going to put it in a container to separate it. We're going to measure how much whey we have. So we got here about 1 liter of whey that we can use to make different things, like a ricotta cheese. We can use it for soup. We use it for cheesecakes, but we'll leave it for another day. So now we're gonna take our cheese, and we're gonna open it and just dump it in here. Gonna put it in here just nicely. Now it's all strained. Look how creamy this is. Now that's how we make Labneh. Now what I like to do is tray it, and I'm just gonna put some spices, and I'll show you what it looks like. Now that I put my Labneh in here, I just like to decorate a bit. So I'll just make a little dip in here. We're gonna take our paprika first, just with our hands, and just pour it all over. We're gonna take some parsley, maybe a little bit here, and then some olive oil just around. Make it look nice. And that's it. And it's ready to be eaten. Hope you enjoy my video, and I'll see you in the next time. Bye.